Inquiry lesson number 1.
Inquiry lesson 2.
Inquiry lesson 3.
I learned that we all bring different strengths and that we all need each other.
Inquiry lesson 4.
Inquiry lesson 5. Inquiry lesson 6. That's a good question. My question to ask an athlete would be, have you ever gotten really badly injured and how? Inquiry lesson 7. Inquiry lesson 8. Inquiry lesson 9. A growth mindset means that you say, I can't do it yet.
Inquiry lesson 10. Inquiry lesson 11.
Our activity is called soccer relay. Students play by dribbling the ball through the arch and to the cone. Then they will be asked easy, medium, hard, addition or subtraction.
Our activity is called Recreate the Drawing. Students play by 3 people and 1 person can see, speak, knows the drawing but can't draw. Our activity is called Dodge It because you need to dodge a ball. Students play by dodging a ball by jumping and running. Inquiry lesson 12.
Resilience means you keep trying after trouble.
Inquiry lesson 13. 5:30 is less than 10 over.
Okay. 1/5 is the same as 2/10.
Inquiry lesson 14.
My artwork is about school colours like Hula, Kota, Tanda and Nawaka representing all of them.
These are our current drafts and we've just done some peer feedback.
This is my draft, and the tree in the middle represents the preschool.
This is my draft and the people in the draft represents the school values.
Inquiry lesson 15.
I have just done making a rectangle with 2 meters in the width side and the 5 meters on the length side. What are we doing in today's inquiry lesson?
Today we're going to measure our body, listen, play space.
And then we'll go inside and calculate the area and perimeter.
Inquiry lesson 16.
In my artwork, I have the R, which stands for Redwood Park Primary School, which is us. And then I have all of our school values, which is the people. So there's pride, persistence, teamwork, and respect.
Here represents the different cultures and flags and where we come from.
For respect, I did a love heart and it going out to show how when we are kind to someone, more people do kind things.
Inquiry lesson 17.
Have you ever wondered if people show resilience in sport? Have you ever wondered how sport can teach resilience and teamwork?
Have you ever missed a goal and felt bad?
Inquiry lesson 18.
What are you guys doing in inquiry?
Well, Inquiry, we're doing a podcast.
And we're using Magic School AI to give us feedback.
How many games did Peter George win? A marathon, which is 4.2 community teams.
Welcome to the most amazing podcast for sports by Amelia A. and Charlotte K.
Welcome to our podcast. Do you think that sport, whether succeeding or failing, can help us build resilience? Well, your statement is true.
Inquiry lesson 19.
Hey Mila, what's our inquiry lesson today?
It's math buddy lesson.
We teach them a lesson about resilience and teamwork.
Inquiry lesson 20.
Final inquiry lesson.
Hello, my name is Henry and I cannot wait to do this podcast. Welcome to our podcast. We'll be talking about sport and what professional athletes that has came to our school and tell us their career.
Yeah, you're absolutely right. What was your favourite highlight from this term in inquiry, Henry?
Maddie, do you remember that time we met Jess Trengrove?
No, actually. What did she do?
She won a gold medal in the Commonwealth Games for running a whole marathon.
Have you ever wondered how sports could help people get together? Well, in this podcast by me and Macy, we will answer that question.
Ever scratched your head thinking about why certain folks power through life's obstacle course like it's a walk in the park? Buckle up, because that's exactly what's on the menu today as you tune into Jack and Danny's podcast extravaganza.
Sports often bring to mind those legendary moments when everything hilariously goes sideways and turns to disaster.
What have you learned in this inquiry lesson?
I've learned how to create a podcast.
Hey Ruben, what was your favorite thing in inquiry?
My favorite thing was probably designing the school sports t-shirts. How about yours?
Same, mine too.
My favorite part of the inquiry was when I saw the Australian cricket player Peter George.
My favorite part of inquiry was I was drawing about Redwood Park of showing persistence, pride, respect and teamwork.
Danny, what was your favourite part of inquiry this term?
My favorite part of inquiry this term was meeting all the exciting athletes.
Hey Evie, what have you learned in inquiry?
I learned that to never give up when things get tough. What about you, Amelia?
I learned to show good sportsmanship.
Year 4 5s in B6 and B7, we're so proud of everything you've achieved throughout this learning journey. Miss Kate, what's been your favourite part of this inquiry?
I've had a few actually, but I think one of my biggest ones has been how much they've grown in their confidence as communicators, the amazing resilience they've shown, and the teamwork in building their podcasts. How about you?
My favourite part of this inquiry has been designing our new sports tops. All students, you've showed great creativity and a real sense of pride in our school.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks for all your hard work this term, Year 4 5s, and we can't wait
To see what you achieve next inquiry.